make your way to the Content Creation category. In the drop-down menu, hover over Blogs, Text, and SEO, and then click on Copyedit or Translate. As you can see, you have the option to type or paste text directly into the container, or you can upload a text document from your device. You now have the option to select a text style, fix any grammar or spelling errors, rewrite or improve the text for greater clarity, and translate the text into a multitude of various languages. If the language you require is not directly stated in the menu, you can choose the other option and input said language. To further refine your desired text, you can utilize the final prompt to input more specific information. Once you have finished, click Generate and wait for your new text to appear. If you opted for a translation and find some elements to be foreign to you, you can always do a reverse translation with the generated text and double-check that your message remains the same. As always, till next time.
Brainiest.